I'm First Alert meteorologist Callie Zanandrie with a check of your forecast on this Friday. Well, we're tracking cooler temperatures and breezy conditions here in the Front Range. Also, some light mountain snow this afternoon through this evening. And then looking ahead to this weekend, we'll see mild temperatures and sunshine return with beautiful weather on tap both Saturday and Sunday. Today, we have a weak disturbance moving through. That'll bring some light snow to the high country and some breezy conditions here across the Front Range and especially for the foothills. This system moves out tomorrow. High pressure builds back in and we're looking at more mild weather with more sunshine for your Saturday. And then by the time we get to Sunday, we're tracking another storm system that'll move in from the Pacific Northwest, bringing another shot of snow up to the mountains. Today, we are expecting some very windy conditions up across the foothills and up across those wind-prone areas where we could see wind gusts 40, 50, even 60 miles per hour. Here in the Front Range, breezy conditions with gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, we will watch those winds slowly relax, and by the time we get to tomorrow morning, we're expecting much calmer conditions. You'll notice cooler temperatures today in the 40s right now and only add a few degrees to that by this afternoon, topping out in the upper 40s. On the satellite and radar, already tracking some light snow showers along and just north of I-70. We'll continue to watch that snow pick up as we go through the afternoon and evening before that snow clears out by tomorrow morning, leaving behind mostly sunny skies statewide and dry conditions. By the time we get to Sunday, another disturbance moves in, and that brings another chance for some mountain snow, mainly in the northern mountains Sunday night into Monday. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, again, we're talking light snow, mainly along and north of I-70, where we could see 1 to 2 inches of accumulation. So not a big snow maker, but we will have some fresh snow for you by tomorrow morning, especially for those northern ski area resorts. High temperatures today also on the cooler side compared to where we topped out yesterday. We'll be in the upper 40s and low 50s here in the Front Range and across Eastern Plains. 27 in Leadville with 31 in Vail and 27 in Steamboat Springs. Here in the city in Denver, 50 for a high, as well as out through Aurora, down through Centennial and Greenwood Village with 50 degrees in Littleton. Taking you into Adams County today, 50s across the board from Brighton down through Watkins and Aurora into Commerce City and Westminster. We'll have partly cloudy skies today. It will be breezy at times with wind gusts between 20 to 25 miles per hour, and winds will be out of the west between 5 and 10 miles per hour. So it'll feel a bit colder than that 50 degrees. Then overnight, it'll be chilly out there as temperatures drop into the 20s. We'll have mostly clear skies with breezy conditions continuing in the foothills. And then tomorrow, we see that nice warm up come our way. We'll be running a good 10 degrees above average for this time of year, back in the mid 50s here in the Front Range and across the Eastern Plains, mainly in the low 40s up in the mountains for your Saturday with just a little bit of fresh snow. Looking ahead to your weekend, tomorrow 56 degrees and mostly sunny conditions. On Sunday, slightly cooler, back into the low 50s. We'll stay dry here, but if you're headed to the Broncos game, the weather looks fantastic. For kickoff, 53 degrees, by halftime 49, and then by the fourth quarter 45 degrees, but it will be breezy at times, so that could impact the game with wind gusts around 20 miles per hour. We are tracking a chance for some mountain snow Sunday into Monday, and as far as totals go, it's really along and north of I-70 that we're looking for that snow to add up by Monday morning, where we could pick up several inches along and north of I-70 in places like Steamboat, picking up close to 5 inches. Into next week here in the metro area, though, we are staying mild in the mid 40s to low 50s all the way through next weekend.